As we begin to investigate ways to solve anxiety in children, I also believe it's important for us to understand ways that we are increasing anxiety in children and youth. First and foremost, there is an unprecedented separation from the adults that children are attached to. And this is for a variety of reasons, but most of it can be attributed to the way society is changing, and that kids from a very young age do not always have parental resources like they had in the past. Parents are leaving their children with competent caregivers, but they may have a feeling of separation. Similarly, kids in our classrooms are struggling to develop deep attachments with peers, um, and this can be made evident through our understanding of technology and how our society has changed. Children are becoming more peer-oriented. I said this before, but children more than ever are searching for approval, and they might not always find it. Children are becoming more alpha, and in this situation, it just resorts to the way some children feel that they don't have a protector and that they need to stand up for themselves and that no one has their back. It's very common for children that have to serve as the alpha for them to be stuck in the caution phase continually. Also, parents, teachers, we are resorting to alarming our children. We are going through behaviors that are not helping with anxiety, and we are taking it to the next level. And last, separation-based discipline is becoming the norm. If a student isn't able to focus, we may take their cell phone away. We may remove them from an activity that they find fun. All in all, we need to look for solutions that will get to the deep root of the issue rather than not understanding what is truly affecting the child.